everyone, this is Noi here. As per our discussion and your request, today I will show you how to make a roti or chapati with this Power Flax flour. Let's get started. Okay, the procedure is very simple. All you need is 3 ingredients: the flour, water, and a little bit oil. Any oil will do. Whatever you are using at your home will work. After so many trials and failures, I have found that this flour has a special quality to absorb water very quickly. So today I will show you the tip that you can follow and make a perfect dough with this flour. Here I have 1 cup of flour in this bowl. For this we need 2 teaspoons of oil, now with your hand you will mix oil and flour and make it crumble. This is the tip I wanted to share with you. If you put oil before water and make your dough crumble, this will avoid dough to absorb water right away. Now I will add warm water. While adding the water, keep on mixing the dough with your hand. Keep on mixing till you get a dough. As you can see that our dough is ready and it is still warm and fluffy because of the oil we added before the water. While your dough is still soft and warm, wet your hands with water, take your dough, and start making small portions out of this dough. One cup can make around 4 to 5 portions. Now all you need is to make small balls like this. Roll it in between your hands. Pat them a little bit. As you can see, our dough is ready. But make sure that before using it, you put it in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes. Now our dough is ready to be rolled. In this bowl, I have Carb Quick because we need a little bit of dry flour to roll our dough. So take your dough, put a little bit of dry Carb Quick, and start rolling it with your rolling pan like this. You don't need lots of dry flour, it's just to avoid the sticky part. Do not roll it too thin, otherwise when you toast it, it will become very hard. Now we will toast our roti. Here I have a hot pan. You just take your roti and put it in the pan like this. Each side will take about 1 minute. So after 1 minute, we will flip it like this. As you can see, this golden brown color starts to appear on the top. So now you will take a kitchen towel or a paper towel like this and start toasting your roti. Just be a little bit gentle. And toast each side for about half a minute till you get that golden, crispy golden color. As you can see, our roti is ready. It goes very well with baked chicken and curries. I hope you liked my video. Do let me know how your experience was. Thank you for watching.